Trucks, have we got trucks? We have over 100 trucks for the Truck Month event here at Gananoque Chev. Hi, Jamie Hall here at Gananoque Chev. I wanted to personally invite you to the largest truck event we've ever had in our 39-year history. It is going to blow you away. This monumental event features $10,000 off MSRP, as well as 24 months, 36 months, 0% lease offers. That means if you currently have a vehicle and you want us to pay it out, we can pay it out if it's at a 1.9, 2.9, 6.9% contract. We can pay that vehicle, wrap it all up at 0%, lower your payment, and save you thousands of dollars in interest. The other element of this event is the shortage of used trucks. We need used trucks. Ryan Easton, my used car manager, is on site and ready to pay top dollar for your used pickup truck. We will present you a transparent, aggressive offer showing you how much we'll pay for yours, how little we'll take for ours, and how the 0% offers will save you money on your next payment. Go to ganchev.ca, fill out the Evaluate My Trade form, or better yet, take the short drive to Gan, let us appraise your vehicle in person, and we will blow you away with an offer for your vehicle. So even if you have just a little bit of interest in either the $10,000 off or the low lease payments or the crazy amount of money we're prepared to offer you for your trade, you owe it to yourself to take the short drive to Gan. I promise you, you'll be glad you did.